Part 3. Copy tasks. The changing of our first tire worked very well. To use the same tasks for the other tires as well, we can simply copy them and only change the used objects. I will show this for the second tire, which is the one on the right back of the vehicle. To copy a task or an entire task group, the Shift button needs to be held. Make sure no other tasks are selected, then hold down Shift while dragging and dropping the group Change Tire 1 between the existing groups. Now we must look through each task and change some of the parameters. For the first one, loosen with impact wrench, we need to swap out the nuts. Furthermore, walk points, screw targets and the tires itself must be changed. Other parameters like the body posture or process description do not have to be set again, so this saves a lot of time.